how to set video clip in a picture to motion photo, boomerang, slow-mo, or motion photo off on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Picture Gallery app. Next in here, open up a picture with motion photos in it. So when you take a pictures with the camera, if you have motion photo options turned on, then it will be available for you to make the changes. Now, once it is open, you can tap on the option button at the top. In here, you can choose motion photo, boomerang, slow-mo, or motion photo off. So for motion photo, if you tap on it, you need to tap on this view motion photos to view the video clip in a picture. You can choose boomerang, so it will keep repeating the video clip. And for slow-mo, then the image or the video clip in the image will be play in slow-mo mode. Or we can simply switch off motion photos, so it will not play the video clip. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.